we have a lot of folks who come from being stock traders who are interested in options. And I'll be honest, it's oftentimes that it's the people who have no experience at all and jump into the options. They actually have a whole bunch of um, gains on previous stock traders, because the previous stock traders come with all of these philosophies of how to trade stocks that are hard to break with options. Like, for instance, if you think about it, a stock directionally can do one of three things. It can either go up, it can go sideways, or it can go down. Those are the three things it can do on a day-to-day basis. It can either go up in price, sideways in price, or down. And with trading stocks, you have a choice. You can either go long or you can go short, which makes money when the underlying symbol goes down. There's nothing with stocks that makes money if it goes sideways. And if you think about, say, for instance, probabilities, if each one of these has the exact amount of chance, in other words, there's a 33% chance that it'll go up every day, there's a 33% chance it'll go sideways, and there's a 33% chance it'll go down. With options trading, well, let's go through sort of a thought process. If you want to make money with option trading, I'm going to use the most simple trading strategy. Of course, options give you so many different varieties of ways to do things. But if you wanted to make money on an underlying symbol going up, you could just use a single leg call option, right? And so that would make money if it went up. It wouldn't make money if you went sideways or down. If you wanted to make money on an underlying symbol going down, I could use a put option, a single leg put option. Now, now you can't do this with stocks, but what if you're not sure if it'll go up or sideways? You just are sure that it won't go down. Well, stocks aren't going to help you there, but with options, for instance, I could use, if I'm not sure if it's going to go up or sideways, I'm pretty sure it's not going to go down, I could use what's called a bull vertical spread. A bull vertical spread makes money whether it goes sideways or up. Same thing on the bottom half. If I'm not sure if it's going to go sideways or down, but I am sure it's not going to go up, I can use what they call a bear vertical spread, and that'll make money in either of those two directions. So, for instance, I'd have a 66% chance of making money instead of a 33% chance of making money if all probabilities were equal. In fact, if I was not sure if it would go up or down, I just knew, like, for instance, at earnings, I knew it wasn't going to stay sideways. It was either going to go up or down. I could do a straddle strategy. A straddle strategy makes money so long as the underlying symbol doesn't stay going sideways. So I've got a strategy for every situation. In fact, if I knew that it was going to stay sideways and not go up or down, I could use a condor, right? I'm showing the profit and loss diagrams of these things. A condor makes money if you're 100% sure it's going to go sideways. So even with directional movements, I've got an option strategy and variations of that option strategy for every single situation that may appear in just the directional movement. And I'm not even talking about making money on time passing by or making money on, the fear of the market or the confidence of the market going up and down. This is just directional movements. So I just, when you're talking about the flexibility of being able to profit in any situation, you can't go wrong with options, Sip.